Hi everyone, and welcome to my Investing for Retirement channel. It is almost the end of 2025, and I wanted to give you a brief overview where my account stands as of today, December 23rd. Of course, there's still a few trading days left this year. However, with the holidays coming up, I thought I would just give you the overview now. And I also wanted to share with you today something surprising that I discovered when I opened my account a few days ago and even today in preparation for this video. So I will share that with you in a moment. But first things first, my account value as of right now is $232,222.79. And if we look at the performance this year, the account has gained $30,101.80 from January 1st until December 22nd. This represents a cumulative rate of return of 15.70% for this year, and this is just a little bit below what the S&P 500 performance has been, but I think for my personal account, that has been great. Now, this investment change represents two things. The first thing is the investment gain and loss, and that was $25,053.40. And in addition to that, so far I have received from dividends $5,050.60. And this is where the surprise came in when I logged in a few days ago, because up until that point, the estimate for dividends to be received this year was sitting at a little bit less than 4,300 US dollars. And I was surprised to see more in my account. And in fact, I had to do a few quick calculations to try to figure out, was this just a mistake being displayed on the interface or if this was real. And I will share the reason of what happened in a little bit. Just wanted to point out that as of right now, I still have $96.43 estimating to receive, which will happen on Friday, December 26th. And this is from my SCHZ ETF. Now, I took a look at the individual ETFs, and what I realized was that for the month of December, my SCHE and my SCHF account ETFs yielded about twice as much dividends as what I was originally expecting. And I was quite surprised by that, but when I looked into it, it actually made a lot of sense. In fact, international ETF dividend estimates can change late in the year because of the underlying companies that pay on different schedules and in different currencies. So foreign tax withholdings and year-end income adjustments also get finalized late, which can cause the final payout to be higher or lower than earlier estimates. And I think this was an important lesson for me to just remember that whatever the interface displays is just that. It's just an estimate. It could be a little bit less, it could be a little bit more, and you would not know until you receive the final payout. Now, with that said, it's still valuable information, and I find it quite helpful to track how things are progressing from year to year. So back in 2024, I received a total income from dividends of $3,366.12. I'm very happy to see how much that has increased this year. Now, for the next 12 months, the estimate as of this moment is at $5,263.47. Of course, this is going to change as I make new contributions in 2026. So we will have to just wait and see what happens next year and how things end. Anyhow, I hope you find this information helpful, and I wish all of you happy holidays and see you next year.